That's great. That's great. You are coming to the country in a week's time, right?
Yes, Dad.
Good, good, good. So don't be anxious about anything. Just take it easy, okay? When you come, you meet her.
Is that my son on the phone?
Yes, yes, yes. Smith, your mother just came in. Talk to her.
Hey, my darling.
Good morning, Mom. How are you doing this morning?
I am fine, oh, we thank God for everything. I hope you're coming back as you promised.
Yes, Mom. I'm almost through with my arrangement. I've gotten a reliable friend who will be managing my business here in London while I come over to establish a branch there in Nigeria.
Oh, child, Mom, don't worry, eh? Everything will go on fine. Hey, I'm so proud of the man you've become. When you come to Nigeria, the business will go fine as it is going in London.
Mom, I pray so. Have you guys been hearing from IJ and...
Yes. She'll come home for the holidays this weekend.
Okay. She must be really grown up by now.
She is big now and beautiful, just like her mother.
Like her mom, not like her father, right?
Lest I forget, I hope you've been talking with Kiki. Do you find her appealing?
Yes, Mom, I do.
Hey, child, I'm so happy. You know, her family and ours have been friends for years. Even her father didn't want to marry her off by this time. It's just because we are friends. He wanted her to do her master's and PhD first.
Well, everything has a reason, and I'm just glad that he agreed for me to marry his daughter.
Woman, give me back my phone.
Mom, your father has collected his phone. You know how all these old men behave with their phones.
You better respect your old age. You better go and prepare the breakfast.
Dad, I've missed both of you very much, especially all these arguments and drama.
Don't mind your mother.
Alright, Dad, let me allow you have your breakfast.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Okay, and you too. Bye. My son.
My in-law.
Well done, sir.
Peace be unto this house.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, madam. Please sit down.
Thank you.
And make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes, and where is madam?
Oh. Honey, our in-laws are here. Please come and greet them.
I'm coming on.
All right.
We are waiting, oh.
Hey.
Hey, my in-laws.
Madam.
You're welcome.
Madam.
You're welcome. Thank you. Welcome, sir. You're welcome.
Oh, yeah.
We are happy to be here.
Yes. You're welcome.
Yes,
So how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine also.
And what of our daughter, Kiki?
She's fine. She drove her to see the eldest brother.
Exactly. So, my in-law, when is my boy returning to his father's land?
He called yesterday and said in a week's time.
Oh,
Wow. So, has he confided in you people if he's impressed with Kiki's photos?
Oh, he adores her.
In fact, he said Kiki is his dream wife. And that she fits him perfectly.
same thing here. You know, Kiki will not stop singing. Singing his praises. She said, he's a perfect gentleman. handsome and soft-spoken.
He gets it from his mother.
You know what? She said you cannot wait to see him.
Oh my God.
So, did he tell you people how he wants to get about the marriage? Is it going to be sooner? And when precisely?
Well, he hasn't dropped any date yet. But from his body language, it won't be anything more than 2 or 3 months. Or even earlier.
In our language, we say, Odioko.
Meaning?
They do on fire, like hot, sharp.
Mosa. Kia. Lesekese.
Please, enough of this. Let's go to the dining table.
Let me go to the kitchen and bring some things out.
Jide Mimu kwe.
Yes.
Yeah, it's Jide Mimu.
Yes.
Mommy! Dad! Oh, I miss you so much.
I miss you too. Try.
Beautiful. Oh, Daddy, you know I missed you too. Good
lost you.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
My daughter has lost weight. Oh.
Mom, not too much now. It's because I missed your sweet.
You know it now. Hey, man, no.
Don't worry, by the time you eat those favorite meals of your mom, you'll go back again.
I know.
Prepared for you, Seth. It's waiting for you in the kitchen. Hot and steamy.
I can perceive it already. Thank you, Mom. I can't wait. Let me shower first.
Yeah. Hey. Chai. I hope the traffic wasn't too bad.
No, Mom.
Hey, you're welcome.
Did you notice that Ijoma has grown into a big woman indeed?
Very soon, suitors will start lining up to our house.
But let her finish her school first.
Somebody cannot play with you again. Let me go and bring out her food before she finishes having her bath.
It's like your village people are calling you now.
IG, how are you?
Very well, bro. And you?
I'm doing great. You're back home now?
How is work over there?
Thank God, work is going fine. How are Mom and Dad? Hope they are doing well.
Yeah, they are great. I came in about 4 hours ago.
Really? They must be really glad to see you.
Yes, they are excited. Mom is over the moon.
Yeah, I know. I've missed you too. But don't worry, I'll be in Nigeria soon, okay?
Okay, I can't wait.
Me too. Don't worry. We have a lot of gist to catch up on when I get back.
Really? Then I can't wait. What?
I'm proud of the woman you're growing into.
Thank you. I'm happy for you too. Especially on your plans of getting married.
Oh, that, yeah, I need to settle down. You know, talking about marriage. Have you seen Kiki?
No, I've not. But with that description of her and the way he's going on and on about her, I think she's a good girl.
Same here. Your eyes are falling. Look, let me allow you to sleep, okay?
Oh, you're so sensitive. You know I love you, right? Okay, good night.
Good night.
Are you serious?
That's how he was dissecting the dead body.
So the first time you had to cut one, how did you feel?
I don't know, I'm used to it.
Okay. Hey,
Ha.
but it doesn't smell.
No, of course not.
Hey.
Mom, Dad, I'm home.
Mama!
Mom.
Hey! Hey. Hey, I'm so happy to see you. I've missed you.
I've missed you too, Mom. You're looking good.
And she forgetting someone.
How can I possibly forget you, eh? Come here. Mom, look at her.
You will break your spine.
She's so big, I can barely carry her anymore.
She's big enough. You know this, they are doctor thing, they are learning. She carries dead bodies by herself.
That well. I need to help me with my bag. At least now you can't say that you're too small to carry the bag.
Sure.
Okay.
She
Thank
say
you.
doctors don't carry luggage. Hey.
Oh, it's good to be back home, Mom.
So happy to see you.
Nothing has changed in this place, so.
Do you know how much all these things are in the market now? Please, nothing is changing.
Mom, you didn't tell me that you're keeping things for me on the dining.
I know, you've missed African food by now.
You take it up.
Dad,
Look at you!
good to see you, Dad.
So how's London?
London is good.
Look, let's go to the table.
Yeah,
all
we
this
can,
discussion
yeah,
no, about London, no, about Europe, about...
Please have your seat.
Thank you.
He'll be with you shortly.
Thank you, dear.
You are most welcome to our house.
Thank you.
Madam, you are welcome too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is my son-in-law, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
Please sit down. Thank you. You are welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you brought us something from London.
Yes, but I did, and I promised to bring it here the next time I'm coming.
That's very good.
What of our daughter-in-law?
She will be joining us soon. She's aware you are here. And you know, ladies, you know the way they do their things. They like to get prepared for a particular sign. I know that.
Excuse me.
Smith is here.
Thank you.
Thank you for the warm reception and for the refreshment.
In fact, it's my honor to have you in my house.
Thank you for having us. So, sir, how is the business, sir?
Oh, we thank God for everything. Business is going on, but with a lot of challenges, you know.
True. There's challenges everywhere. Even in London, the smaller businesses are trying to move to new places to find opportunities.
No, not the same thing. You see, though competition is less here, but no enabling environment to do your work.
True.
That's just a problem, and it's a big one.
Yeah.
That's it. Your point is here.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
This is Smith, your fiance, and these are his parents. I know you know them.
Wow, this is pretty. This is good.
Morning, God.
You look gorgeous, my daughter.
Thank you, ma.
So this is no longer the Smith on phone. This is real, live and direct. Ma'am.
Eyeball to eyeball.
So, Baoni, Cholo.
My night was all right. I was able to actually catch a very long sleep. In London, I always had to wake up very early because I had to head off to work.
Well, I mean, it's good that you're relaxed, but then I guarantee you, once you start your investments and all businesses around here, relaxation time is over.
Well, that's true. That's true.
So, it was thrilling to see you Live and direct was such a good feeling.
It was really thrilling to meet you too, I must say. I mean, my parents are right. It turns out my parents were right about you.
Speaking of your parents' selections, I've been meaning to ask you, honest answer. So, do you want to marry me because you want to marry me, or you're doing that because your parents asked you to?
You know, it's funny that you ask, because I was going to ask you the exact same thing. Anyway, I figured that, you know, you being who you are, the very proud, independent woman you are, you know, you're not going to allow anybody choose who you're going to end up with for you. I mean, the days when people used to select spouses for their children, those days are gone. It's all in the past now. So you will not let that happen. You want to stay with me because you want to be with me. And I must say the same thing on my end. I want to be with you, and that is why I choose you.
Okay. The pressure in my heart is gone. I was like, whew, okay. I mean, I was skeptical the first time. I thought maybe, you know, you just wanted to marry me because you didn't want to offend your parents.
Well, I'm glad that the pressure on your heart is gone.
Smith?
Mm-hmm.
So there's something I would like to talk to you about.
What?
I was hoping we could talk about our wedding, you know, just have a conversation about it.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Okay, so I was hoping, you know, we could have a big wedding. Like an elaborate wedding, like something huge, you know, something of the, you know, royal family, the Britain royal family. But Jersey style, you know, Jersey people like to go overboard with their stuff. So I was hoping, you know, just have it so big, TV stations, magazines, newspaper houses will scamper to come interview us. You'd invite your European friends so that my invitees and my friends can know that the wedding is international standard. And, you know, every money that was spent should be, you know, said so that people can know how much we spent on it. And then that way we can have more connections than the ones we already do. What do you think about that?
I mean, it's not a bad idea, but you know, we should talk about it when we see later. Eh?
All right, my love, I'll see you tomorrow then.
Right, yeah, I'll talk to you later, dear. Bye.
Bye.
Smith. Smith?
Hmm?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Don't you have something I cook in the kitchen?
Sorry.
Thank you.
You come here. Come here. How long did you think I deserved to be outside for before opening the gate?
Madam, I don't waste time.
Are you mad? Don't you ever in your life, madam, let this be the very first and last time you keep me outside that long. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Oh yes, it's clear. Say,
You said what?
No, I wasn't talking to you, please. I wasn't talking to you.
Wash the car.
Say, if you like, kick me, beat me, do anything you want to do to me, I will continue to love you. My Kiki. Say.
Yeah, listen up. Thank you, babe.
So, babe. I feel like we need to talk about the wedding and our plans.
Yes, I feel like we do.
Right.
Hold on.
So,
It's stable here. All right. So let's talk about it.
why do you need the wedding to be so elaborate?
Okay, so it's not like I need the wedding to be so elaborate. I just feel like that's what I deserve. You know, everything in life has classes, you know, and then a classy wedding is something that's forever going to be in the minds of people. And like, I'm a classy lady if I do say so myself, and I just feel like that's what befits someone of my caliber. Don't you think?
Yeah. Someone of your caliber. Don't you think it's ridiculous for you to be spending all of that money just to make people see you as a classy lady? I mean, think about it. Based off of the conversation we had yesterday, the price tag of the wedding is looking pretty steep.
Okay, let me ask you a very important question. When you think about the royal wedding, I'm talking about the, you know, British family, what comes to your mind? Exactly. I know what it is. You don't have to say it. The ceremony was so monumental that it was embedded in the brains of people till this day. That's what I want, babe.
Cakes?
Yes.
Even if I do have the money, I have no interest whatsoever in wasting it on such frivolities.
Babe. You don't have to call it frivolities. Come on now. Like, this ceremony means a lot to me. I just feel like that's what I deserve. Look, if it's the money you're worried about, don't worry. Daddy will handle it.
Look, let me stop you right there. I didn't ask your father for money. I don't need your father's money. Okay? All I'm saying is that there is no point us spending all of this money wastefully. That's my opinion.
All right.
Look, babe, listen. Isn't it enough that both of us get to spend the rest of our lives together? Isn't it enough that we find joy in each other? Shouldn't we be focused on the marriage as against the wedding?
Christ. Okay, you know what? Fine. We'll do whatever you want. I could even wear rags if it would make you happy.
Auntie baby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How far now?
Where you dey go? You dey go market?
No, I dey go farm. Where I wan go again if no be market?
Why you dey talk like this now? Small thing you go provoke. Eh? You reach here, hunger won't finish me, oh. Hunger won't finish me. Find me food now.
So they complain of hunger. Gate man, you two they cry for hunger. You never ready.
I know be ordinary gate man, oh. If you come my village, you go see say me I get plenty cow. I can't get house. Can't get plenty bicycle.
Oh man, you bicycle cow. Look around. No be mommy girl this is you see so. You get bicycle, you get car.
And yeah, baby. Forget about that thing. Me, I know say one day, one fine man like this, you go come marry you. If he no come marry you, me self I will marry you.
You see gini? Marry who?
Marry you now.
Me, Ubong.
Yes.
Ubong, how many wives you get?
How many wives will me I get? I get 7 and still loading.
Come on, ma.
What's going on here?
Ma, I was
So you
going
left
to the
everything
market,
you
ma.
were doing in the kitchen to come here to have cheap talk. Have you served breakfast this morning?
Yes, ma. The food. The breakfast is on the dining table, ma.
Which way are you headed?
I'm going to the market, ma.
Get lost.
Thank you, ma.
Olga, how long will it take
Madam.
you to wash the car?
Madam, I don't finish. You can go to anywhere. See the car, I don't finish. Tam. Kiki. Try. That one, yeah. Fine girl. Say. Sitting back, but that minute bong do. Try. That is good. My gun, they go away.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. And you?
Not much. What's good?
Nothing is good. You've been moody and worried. What's wrong?
Me, moody and worried. Please. Nah, I'm fine.
You know you can't hide anything from me. So talk to me.
as stubborn as Popsy.
Thank God you know. So what's bothering you? Is it Kiki?
Yes, Kiki, yes, it's Kiki.
I guessed right. You're in love with her already, right? What's wrong? You don't look happy. Did she do anything?
Actually, you know what? Why don't we, you, myself, and Kiki, why don't we hang out sometime soon? Like, just go out for like drinks or maybe lunch or something, you know, just hang out. Huh?
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that what's bothering you?
I mean, I think it would be great for us to hang out and, you know, just. I want you to get closer to her and, you know, give me some kind of feedback.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Anything for you.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, yeah, now, come on, be going.
You're chasing me.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm going. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, baby.
Hey, honey. How are you?
I'm good. Sorry I came late.
It's okay.
Who's she?
That's my younger sister, Ijoma, or IJ.
Hi.
IJ, this is my fiancée, Kiki, obviously.
Why didn't you tell me you had a very beautiful sister like this?
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where have you been?
School. I just came back for holidays.
So what are you studying?
Surgery.
Wow, nice. Surgery.
Okay, enough with that. We can do that later, but I want to first propose a toast.
Okay.
To...
Okay. Oh my God.
Let me start with yours.
Of course, me first. Ooh. Oh, wow. Careful, my dress is expensive.
I'm sorry, darling.
It's okay, my love.
And you? And then me. So, a toast to love and relationships?
Marriage?
Marriage.
Come here. Have you lost your mind?
I'm sorry.
What do you mean you're sorry? You should be sorry. My dress is expensive. Why are you so clumsy?
Honey, take
I didn't mean to.
Kiki, it's okay. It's all right. She poured some of it on me
I don't
too.
care if she poured on you. Why are you so clumsy? How old are you? My dress is more expensive than your school fees. I'm sure about that.
Cakes. It's only for you to insult her now. It's just it's a wine.
Of course you support that. She's your sister. Are you kidding me? I feel like a 10-year-old. Are you blind? Look at my dress. Clumsy for what? How old are you? I literally bathed in this whole thing. It's even cheap wine to start with. Angela. Angela.
Ma?
Do I always
Yes,
have to call
Auntie.
your name twice? Are you deaf?
Sorry, Ma. I was in the kitchen.
Have you seen my mom?
No, Ma. But I think she's in her room.
If you haven't seen her, then how can you think she's in her room? You see why I always call you dumb? You always have to act like a moron.
Sorry, Ma.
What's going on here?
Nothing, Ma.
Mama, I've been looking for you since I came back.
So there was a restriction on my door for you to come now.
I was actually asking this dumb here if you were around. Bullshit.
Angela, I hope you're preparing dinner because my husband will soon be home.
Yes, Ma.
So then,
Why were you looking for me?
I wanted to talk about Smith. He was here and he left angrily. I mean, he was talking about he was going to come pick me up so we could go out tomorrow, but then he was quite unhappy.
So what is it between the both of you?
So we had a discussion. We had an argument about our wedding.
Kiki, what is the matter? What's actually happening?
I told him I wanted a big wedding. I mean, not something big, but like I wanted something elaborate, something that would equal to, the royal family in Britain, president's daughter, something of that caliber, and he wasn't having it.
Kiki, are you kidding me or you're serious?
I'm serious. I have to do something like my contemporaries. I mean, I've been to a lot of stylish weddings, and I can't do anything short of that.
And what did Smith say in all this?
He was talking about he didn't have money for all the frivolities and, there was no time for that. He just wanted something simple because he was a gentleman. I even gave him the offer of, if he couldn't afford it, Daddy was going to pay for it and it wasn't...
Kiki!
Ma?
Is there anything wrong with you? I hope you don't have the motive of bringing this thing to your father.
I do, actually. I mean, if Smith cannot afford the kind of wedding that I want, Daddy should be able to give it to me, considering he loves me so much and I'm his daughter.
Kiki, just stop. Stop reasoning like a baby. And stop bringing out these frivolities before Smith.
Those were the exact words he used, frivolities. What am I supposed to do? Have an impoverished wedding because, I'm trying to be humble, and then you want all the people that have attended the weddings and talk trash about them to start using me as a topic of discussion? That's not going to happen. Ma?
Ekuleo.
Ekabo, Daddy.
What is going on here? Why is my daughter looking like this? Darling, what is wrong with her?
Let her tell you now. Is she not the one unhappy? Let her tell you why she's unhappy.
Mbokiki, what's wrong with you? You are working out on your daddy? These children of nowadays, working out on me? In our own time, you dare not do that. Hey, but what could be happening? Food, bro.
Ubong.
Well, madam, I never finish, yo.
Ubong.
And yeah, baby, now you.
What is my madam do you?
I know they like this kind of thing. What did they do? I know they like this kind of thing. They dream better dream. When madam won't go give me money, now you can't carry this your wish, come.
So I get winch. Make I carry my winch.
Hold on. Are Chris? Na me the main gotta what? Na me be the winch now, you know? Eh? I be waiting there inside.
Now winch, my brother. Now winch. I dey carry am, I dey go.
If na winch there inside, make I chop the winch now. If I chop the winch finish, I go come die down. If I die down, I go come the dream.
See you. Instead make you the dream of your life. How your life could take better. You dey dey move yourself. I be correct for my hand, just make I dey go.
This food, where they? Oh, Anje baby. This food I go do justice to this food this night. Correct, babe. Thank you. Sai. Daya work para was you need the
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma.
And where are you coming from?
So I went to give Obong his food.
Okay. Clear the dining.
Okay.
Now, darling, tell me, what is wrong with Kiki?
I don't know. Ask her yourself.
What is the meaning of that? How can I ask my own wife what is wrong with my daughter and she's referring me back to her? What nonsense is that? Angela!
Sir? Yes, sir.
Call Kiki for me.
Okay, sir.
I hope she ate her food.
Sir,
Just go and call her. I'm not fi mí pè nulẹ̀ yìí o.
Daddy, you sent for me.
Yes, my sweetheart, my darling. Àpọ̀nbẹ̀pọ̀ rẹ̀ èyí fún jòwó. Ìbàdí àrùn now tell me what is wrong.
We're having a discussion about Smith before you came.
Okay. Was there a quarrel or a fight or something?
No, there wasn't any. We were just discussing about the type of wedding that we ought to have.
And what about that?
Smith disagrees with the type of wedding that I said we deserve. I mean, I was telling him that I wanted something elaborate, something that would make TV stations, scamper to interview us, something that would equal to, Light of the President's Daughter or the royal families in England, something of that nature. You get me now, Daddy should be. And then he was talking about, it was such frivolities and gibberish. I don't know, I wasn't having it.
Tell me something, Kiki. You were kidding him when you said all that, because what you are saying is, of course, frivolities, if I may borrow his words.
Daddy, you can't call it frivolities, because I want what I want at the end of the day. I want a very big wedding, something that something that will make me stand out amongst my peers.
Ha!
You see, that was the argument when you came in. I told her first impression matters.
Daddy, look, this is the time that you have to prove that you love me and you have to support me in this, my decision. I just want something big. Something much to ask, is it?
Where do you want Smith to get money to fund this kind of elaborate wedding that you are talking about?
That's where you come in. You see, Daddy and I are vibing. That's exactly where you come in. So for everything that we buy, all the debts that we incur, you're going to pay for it. Okay. Anything that Smith can't afford, you just take over, which is almost everything.
Listen, that is not how to show a daughter that the father loves her. How can you say? Look, there are some things that are not necessary.
Daddy, no.
Listen, look, don't let that boy form a bad picture of you.
It's the same thing. You shouldn't have called me down when you were not going to have a solution to my problem.
Kiki! Kiki, come here!
I'm not coming anywhere.
Kiki!
Whoa. Look, I have said my own. Oh.
Come in.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi. So, I don't want to take up so much of your time. I'll just go straight to the reason why I came here.
Okay.
About the other day, I'm sorry. I just wish that,
It's fine.
I wish you didn't get to see her like that. I wish it didn't happen that way.
It's fine. I mean, her reaction was not cool, but then it's okay.
Yeah.
Do you really love her?
That's the thing. I don't know. I'm confused right now, to be honest.
You don't have to rush, Take your time. Fall in love. Nurse your ambition and groom your relationship.
Yeah. Why are you saying all this?
Because forever is too long to be unhappy.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
So if you really want her, I will advise that you study her. Get to see if you two are compatible for each other. Only then will you have my support.
Yoshi, relationship expert.
I'm serious.
I'll open office for you now. Counselor Lomo. Anyway, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me leave you to your phone person.
Good night.
All right.
Smith,
Mom.
I hope you slept well.
I did. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, dear. Are you hungry? Should I go and get something for you to eat?
No. I actually just came down to check if Dad was here. I'll soon take off for a meeting, after which I'll swing by Kiki's place.
How is it between both of you?
Mama, it's fine. Okay, we're still getting to know each other, but yeah,
Oh,
What?
try.
What?
Looking at your face, I can see you really like her. Hey!
Well, see, she's a beautiful woman, okay? There's no man in his normal mind that would not like her.
Hey!
Yes.
She's beautiful, you're handsome. I can't wait to see your children.
Okay, not yet, Mama. Not yet. Calm down. We need to get to know each other better before marriage. Okay. Anyway, I'm going back upstairs.
Okay. You try and eat,
yeah,
before you go, because
Mama,
it's not good to go out with hunger. Before you go to your meeting and your eye will be doing vroom vroom. If anybody passes with biscuit, you will look. It's not good, eh?
Mama, don't worry, I'll eat.
You,
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Auntie is...
Not back, I know. I spoke to her while I was still on my way here. She's stuck in traffic.
Yes, traffic on Saturdays are usually very congested.
I know.
What can I offer you before she comes?
Water is fine.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Thank you.
Can I go into my room now?
Do you have something very important you're doing in your room?
I have a book I'm reading.
Okay, and so because of that, you're going to abandon me, a complete stranger, all alone here in the living room?
Sir, my employers will frown at me being alone in the sitting room with you.
Huh. Don't maids have any privileges in this country at all? And you know what? It's okay to be honest with me. I'm basically family now.
So the thing is, Auntie Kiki, she's usually harsh when it comes to
You know what?
things.
Please sit down. Please. Please. How long have you worked here?
Not quite long. 2 years.
2 years. Most helps in this country fall into one of two categories. They're either hired or they're relatives. Were you hired or are you a relative?
I was hired.
You're hired. Okay, so why the choice to do this job though? I mean, clearly you're intelligent, you sound educated. So why choose to be a maid?
I was in my year 2 in the university when I lost my parents in a car accident. I have a younger brother who now lives with my uncle. School became really challenging, so I had to drop out. I picked up some menial jobs that were telling on me. So my uncle came and asked if I would like to work as a maid. I hated the idea of being a maid. I mean, I never thought in my life that I would be a maid. And when he told me that my employer was wealthy, I just figured that I could take the job and save some money to cater for me and my brother. Even though I work as a maid, I regret being a maid to Kiki. I mean, I know she's not even older than me, but yet I have to call her auntie because she wants me to. She treats me with so much disregard. My patience and silence is just because I have not saved enough money. I know my parents will be so sad in their graves to know that their death has caused me so much problems. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry. You know what, I apologize for everything you're going through, and I just want to promise you today that I'll do everything I can to help you in any way I can. Okay?
Sir, really?
Yes. You know what? This. Why don't you just give me your phone number?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I'm grateful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your story with me.
Thank you, sir. Can I go now?
Of course you can, but please check on me intermittently, okay? Don't leave me all by myself here.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Baby, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry I kept you here all by yourself, my love. Must have been so lonely.
Yeah, it was all right. I had Angela, your house help, to keep me company.
I'm sorry, who?
Angela, your house help. I mean, is there a problem?
Babe, you had a whole conversation with Angela. What could you possibly be discussing? Babe, why would you do that? Why would you sell yourself so cheap? With the maid? A conversation with the maid? Somebody who's only supposed to take orders from you? Really?
Oh yeah?
Yes!
You know what? How about we take a step back, take deep breaths, and try not to ruin the mood,
All right, I'm gonna kill her. Okay, I'm calm now.
Okay.
So, how was the traffic getting here today? I mean, Saturdays are always crazy. I'm sure Mommy and Daddy have gone to some sort of party. That's what's always happening around here.
I mean, yeah, I passed it before it built up, so, yeah.
Oh, nice. So, I wanted to apologize about the other day. I was quick to anger, which I shouldn't have, even though my dress was expensive. I would hope you would help me apologize to your sister, IJ, right?
Yes,
IJ. Sorry,
IJ.
I don't even know my sister-in-law's name. Okay, and I spoke to Mom and Dad about the wedding, and for some reason they took you aside. Surprised much. I guess I'm the only bad guy. So yeah, we're gonna have the wedding your way, and I'm sorry for even thinking towards that direction. So yeah.
Apology accepted, honey.
Aw, thank you, baby. But I get that my parents took your side and I'm the only bad egg. You're gonna have to let me also, make some decisions. At least let me be able to put the planning through.
Are you kidding? Of course. I mean, we're a couple. How else are we supposed to have a wedding if we don't do it together?
Oh. Okay, so let me feed you your favorite Yoruba dish. Amala and ewedu.
I love it.
Okay.
Okay.
Angela! You see, she always lets me call her more than once. Angela! Yes, Ma. Set the table, stupid.
Okay. Oh, this looks nice.
Okay. How does it taste?
So good.
I mean, I didn't make it, but I told her to.
Yeah, but it's really good. I mean, seriously.
Yeah.
It is good. Like I abroad, like over there, it's very difficult to get like the
real stuff.
I
You know what I'm talking about?
They mix like plantains with yams.
Exactly, and it's more expensive. It's so expensive because getting the
Yeah, I heard it's overly overpriced.
you can something like this for like maybe 35, 40. I kid you not.
Stop playing. That's like the whole pot.
I kid you not.
All right, I'm gonna let you enjoy it. I'll just be here with my drink, and you be there with yours.
Ubong, which kind of play be this one now? What's happen?
Adike so. Adike get and say beregu no window. Or make the song and say kwaku no. Waiting you they take. You they take the ground where they sweep and with the gate where they open for you.
Ubong, I don't tell you before and I don't go tell you again. You see this play where they play with me up and down? I don't like it. Stop it.
And yeah, baby, calm down. You two they provoke. Eh? It is nothing. You go down to begin vex. Just use small. You they vex.
Why you go touch me?
I say my gun drop this plate. Why I carry chop? And you this your food to make sense. Nasa just job and do. I gonna lick my finger. I lick all my finger, even the one where fall for ground, chef. And Nasa I gonna pick up. I gonna carry him to chop, chef.
Give me joy. If I lick your toe, join now. Come on.
And they take them one on again, but ever take them. Say. And yeah, baby.
What's happening?
You get everything I want to ask you. That fine Baba where they come find madam, that in fancy. You don't go.
Madam Fancy.
Yeah, that fine Baba now. Where come find mama. Why they laugh?
Ubong!
Eh?
Fancy! Hi! Ubong, it is called fiancé.
Fiance.
Ubong, fiancé.
I bet anything where you want call him, you call him. Which one be fiance? Eh? Waiting at the try talk, they say that Baba is too fine.
You too like amebo.
I know they gossip, oh. I know they gossip. As you see me so, waiting at they tell you now the 411. In when do Kuroko.
Thank you. Come they go.
Oh, come, madam, never they come back now. I'll go come begin, they go.
Oh, if another person enter, what you go talk say they do here?
Angela, I'm beginning to suspect you. So you get one Baba where they come for this place, come they look for you?
Oh, but hey. Come they go. You they disturb me, come they go, make I do my work.
Come they go. Why they talk like this now? Make I they go. As I they talk, make you they laugh like this. You know like them. See as your dimple just a show for your face. And yeah, baby. You too fine, dog. That be young. That be young, Babati. That Wait.
So how was it?
It was so good.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Angela. Thank God I called you twice.
Auntie, you called me.
Come and sit down here. No, come and sit on my lap.
Ma.
You always have to be a moron. Clear the table. Idiots. You okay, baby?
Yes, I'm good. So, Angela is not Yoruba. How did she learn how to make such Yoruba dishes very well?
I don't know, I don't care. I mean, I'm sure she must have known the family she was coming to work for and she probably learned. Don't know, don't care.
Okay, and you? Do you know how to cook like that?
Absolutely not. Why would I learn how to cook? I grew up in Maid my entire life, so I didn't have to. And I'm going to continue that way.
Really?
Yeah, really. I mean, cooks learn how to cook. That's why they're cooks, right? I guess.
Cooks are not the only people who get to cook, okay? I mean, if we get married, you're my wife, certainly there'll be times when you want to cook something special for me.
Oh, as a career woman who works day in, day out, I'm not obligated to be in the kitchen, okay? There are people for that. I'll get to hire people to do that. I hope you're not insinuating that I'll have to cook for you every other day.
I'm insinuating exactly that, Cakes. You don't see this. Okay, I too go into the kitchen at some point and cook for you often. What's the big deal?
Babe, exactly. Let's not make a big deal out of nothing. We'll hire people to do that. FYI, that's not the only thing I don't know how to do.
Really?
Yeah, really. I don't know how to clean either. I mean, not that I don't know. I don't want to clean. I mean, there are people for that. They're called domestic staff, right? Right? I guess. Yeah. So.
I mean, I won't argue with you. You hear no arguments from me.
Thank you.
Whatever you want, baby.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Anyway, I really have to roll. It's getting pretty late.
No, don't save me. Oh, I miss you already.
I will call you. Okay?
Angela.
What?
Hi, how was the conversation you had? You know what? Come here. Come close. I want to see something in your apron. At what point did you think it was okay to have a full-blown conversation with my guest? Shut up! You forgot your position in this house. Oh, tell me, what did you guys talk about? The future? How was it? Was it good? You should be sorry. Shut your mouth.
Sorry.
You should be sorry. Your whole life is sorry. Try this again. You'll be jobless earlier than you think you will.
I'm sorry.
Clean up that mess.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hi, are you okay? I'm sorry if I disturb your sleep.
There's no problem, sir. I just came into the bed 5 minutes ago. I'm not sleeping.
Are you okay? You don't sound too great.
I'm okay, sir.
Nah, come on. This is not the voice of the person I spoke with earlier. What happened? Did Kiki do something to you? Wait, Kiki did something to you, right?
Sir, please. I think we need to stop talking. I can't stand any more embarrassment.
I get this. Kiki did something to you, right?
Sir, can you just focus on my mistress and her family? I'm just a mermaid. I can't even afford to lose my job now.
It's okay, you know? You know what? Can I see you tomorrow? Please. I promise I will not take so much of your time.
Okay, sir. I'll call you when I'm out.
Thank you. And listen. Don't worry. Okay? Nobody's going to embarrass you anymore. I'll deal with it. Okay? I'll speak with Kiki about it.
Okay, sir.
It's fine. Now dry your eyes, okay? And go to bed. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Alright, sir. Good night.
Good night, Angela.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Angela.
Ma, I want to go to the market to buy food stuff. We've run out of...
Where's the list then?
It's here, ma.
Ah, this long list. What did you buy the last time then?
Ma, I just bought, but it wasn't enough.
Why didn't you buy enough?
Because the people we used to buy from, they ran out of stock.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Go and get them now. I hope what you have will be enough to buy them.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, come back here. Have you served breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. It's on the dining table.
And who did you tell? How can?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Are you that stupid?
No, ma'am.
How can you serve breakfast and you didn't tell anybody? What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Just go. Ah.
Kuyazwa meruge mem dobi gangden. Oh baba dobi gangden. Mama doborwaten. Kuyazwa meruge memo. Kuyazwa meruge. Wait. Anja baby, confess. Where are you going to with so much hurry?
Please. Ubong, how is where I'm going to any of your business?
It concerns you as a CSO of this great mansion. I have the right to know when you go out and when you come in.
Ubong, please. I don't have time for plenty talk as you see me like this.
Now me they talk plenty. What are you talking about? Tell me, I ask you say where you they go. Now be the plenty thing why they talk. See your face, oh. It be like this, mom, madam, don't holler you that last night well. God, don't give me that. Don't try that. Where my food? Where my food?
It's in the kitchen. Go inside and
Where
carry it if you
forgetting
want
where
to
it
eat.
is? Come, small madam. Where forgetting where it is? Why they like this now? Who come beat this girl? You know they like this before. Before you did like this as they play the show. Now you they appear, you know they show again. Nothing they show, food not they show. Now that is we go there. Njong be baba ngandom ni, man jong be baba ngandom ni.
Hello? Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, where am I coming to? Okay, sir. I'm so sorry I came late, sir. I was actually stuck in traffic.
Okay. Please. Sit. Would you like something to drink, to eat?
Nothing, sir. Thank you.
Why nothing?
Sir, please. Whatever it is you want to discuss with me, you have to tell me now because I still need to go to the supermarket and pick some things.
Angela, please listen to what I have to say very carefully because what I'm about to say is very important. I have been thinking about my relationship with your madam. There is too much that is different between both of us. We don't make a good team, myself and her, and so I don't think that I will be able to marry her. And I strongly believe that fate brought me to you through your madam, Kiki. Angela, I'm in love with you. Okay, I don't want to marry Kiki anymore. I want to marry you.
Sir?
And not your madam, Kiki. I need to talk to you about something.
Oh yeah? What's up?
Don't you think it would be nice for you to adjust the way you speak to people?
Babe, how do I talk to people? I talk to people according to their class. What do you want me to do?
That is exactly the problem. You shouldn't be speaking to people a certain kind of way because they don't meet up to whatever standard it is that you think
Honey,
that people
I
should.
work with class. I'm not going to bring myself so low to be talking to somebody, some random person on the street with no class nicely. That's a waste of energy, smile, body gesture and all of that. No.
Cakes.
What?
I love you. But this is exactly what I'm saying. I don't feel comfortable with this thing that you're doing.
Okay. All right. You win.
You know what? Don't let me pressure you into doing whatever it is you don't want to do. Or being whatever it
Exactly.
is
I
you
feel
don't
like you should get to know me better and then just, come on, just accept me like this. I don't want to change. I love who I am.
Yeah, okay. I hear you.
Can we stop talking about this? Let's talk about something else. You know, like how many babies we're gonna have, where we want to live.
Okay, so how many kids do you want to have?
I don't know, but I know for a fact that I'm not carrying the babies in this body.
I'm sorry, what?
We're gonna get a surrogate. You want me to spoil this figure? No.
Okay. Okay.
You don't know about surrogacy?
Why are we married then? Like, what's the point of a marriage if the wife is not willing to carry the children of her husband?
Oh my God, this boy is such a cultural human. All right, you know what? It's fine. I'll carry the babies. I'm joking. I got you. I'll carry the babies. But then after, you're gonna have to pay for surgery. Because I have to remain snatched. Are you joking? You want me to lose my body for the babies? No.
You know what? I really should go.
Babe, I was joking. Are you upset?
No, honey. I'm not upset.
But you're gonna pay for surgery after the babies, right?
I should go.
All right, we'll talk about the surgery afterwards. Has to be Dr. Miami though. He's the best in tummy tucking, you know, after the babies have slapped your belly and everything.
Ajay,
Mom?
what is wrong with your brother?
Like what?
He has been moody, acting funny for a while now.
I don't know.
Try and find out now. Ask him questions. He's your brother. You people are siblings. Yeah? You should be close. Ask these things.
Okay, I will. Smith. Smith. What's wrong?
How long have you been here?
I just got here.
IJ, can I confide in you?
Sure.
So I said something to someone and I'm confused.
Who? What did you say?
I proposed to Angela.
What?
Come on, to go downstairs.
I'm sorry, but did I just hear you right?
Yes. Yes, you did. I'm in love with her. Okay?
Okay. Calm down. So, why are you confused?
Because she didn't say anything.
Just like that?
Yes. IJ, just like that. I'm calling her, she's not even taking my calls.
Okay. But why a maid? I'm mean, there are lots of girls out there if you don't want Kiki. Why go for her maid?
Actually, and Angela is more than just a maid. She's not just a maid. She's kind, she's humble, and she's intelligent. She's beautiful. She's literally everything I want in a wife.
And she's not just any maid, but Kiki's. Did you even think about this at all?
Yes. But I'm in love with her. And I know that we belong together.
Okay. Follow your heart. But you just have to take things easy. Mom is worried about you.
Don't worry, I will speak to Mom.
Okay.
Thank you for supporting me.
IJ! IJ!
Mom's calling.
Okay.
IJ!
Yes, Mom. You called.
I sent you somewhere now. You come and give me progress report. How far? What did he say?
Nothing, Mom. He's fine.
Nothing. Just like that.
Just work stress.
Ah.
You worry too much. He's fine.
It's my work now. You've not yet had children. When you have, you know you can't mind your business.
Okay.
Yes, are you surprised?
Very proud. Very proud that you thought to write.
Thank you.
This your show. This your show. Anyway, I don't know if you could, if you can talk. I'd really like to speak with you about something. I love you very much.
Thank you.
What about her?
Beginning to have doubts, Mom. I don't know. She's not showing the kind of commitment or seriousness that is required for what we're planning.
There's nothing to worry about. See, I'm a woman. And I know how women behave when it comes to marriage and relationship talks. They try to seem unattainable, you know, pompous, so that you don't look at them as cheap. That's why she's seeming like she's not committed, as you said. It's no problem. Is that what has been bothering you?
Well, not exactly.
It's not an issue. See, if you have any problem with her, you let her know. If she annoys you, you tell her. If she has any flaws, you tell her. She's a good and respectable girl. She'll listen to you. It's not a problem. Is that all?
Yes. Yes, Mom. That's all. All right, let me stop bothering you. Let me allow you to enjoy your show.
Thank you. You won't come and watch with me.
No.
Very interesting, no?
I don't know the backstory.
Hey. Biakwa.
What happened here?
I'm sorry, Ma. It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake is this now?
It slipped off my hand.
It slipped off your hands.
Yes.
What were you thinking?
I was not taking anything. I'm sorry.
This is not a sorry matter. I would deduct it from your salary.
Very good, Mommy.
Please,
You can never get anything
Will
right
you just
in your
stop?
life.
It's okay. Pack it in, pack it.
You're lucky I'm not the only one at home today.
Pack it! What kind of mistake is this now?
Son,
Sir?
that call will be very important. I think you should take it.
I'll call them back, sir.
I think you should take your calls.
Excuse me. Hello? Yes, I've been busy. Yes. Okay then, let's meet. The lounge room at the other time is fine. Okay, bye. It was a business call.
I guess right. You don't ignore important calls like that.
Excuse me, please.
All right. Is he okay?
He's fine, Dad. Maybe work stress.
Thank you for coming. I'm sorry, okay? Cakes, I'm sorry. I am.
You're making it sound like I'm just supposed to accept your apology. Is that enough? Is sorry enough for you not to pick my calls for days?
I was busy with work. Look, okay. Cakes, babe, I'm sincerely sorry. Thank you.
So why'd you ask us to meet here when you could have just come by the house?
Nothing, I just figured we could use a change of pace.
Why do I feel you mean that differently?
What I mean is that we need a change in everything. Your egotistical attitude, the way you see people and life.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Kiki, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. This is not the wonderful girl I was speaking with while I was in London. Kix, you are too perfect to be imperfect.
Okay, so I'm glad that you see the perfection in me. That's a huge relief. So why don't you look away from the imperfections that you claim to see?
Claim.
Yeah.
Claim. Babe, there is no claim here, okay? We're going to get married, and I want you to be my wife, not some boss lady in the house.
I do want to be your wife. I mean, but that doesn't mean I'm going to lower my standards at the end of the day. I like what I like, and I don't like what I don't like.
So, are you saying I should look elsewhere?
Look elsewhere. Sweet, are you planning on leaving me?
No, I'm not. I'm not planning on leaving you. But if you persist in this behavior, this lifestyle, you might leave me with no choice.
What do you mean, leave you with no choice? Okay. You know what? Stop talking, okay? Even though I don't see anything wrong with my behavior, if I do say so myself, I promise I'll work on it and I'll be on my best behavior whenever you're around. What? Don't look at me like that. I'm just being myself. What, you want me to be fake? This is just me. And I don't think I have any bad behavior. So we're good? Can we order drinks now? I'm thirsty.
Yes, let's order drinks.
I don't know where these stupid waiters are. Just dumb as hell. What?
Waiter.
Good afternoon, sir.
Why aren't you taking my calls?
Sir? Ma?
Who's it? Babe!
Hey, baby.
Why didn't you call me before coming?
So I need to call my own girlfriend back on my visitor, huh?
What, this is a surprise?
Obviously, it's a surprise.
Okay.
How about you go get dressed, huh?
Where are we going?
Didn't I just say it's a surprise?
I'm sorry. I don't know if I like this whole surprise thing. What?
Go dress.
Is there a color theme or what?
No, just have fun, enjoy yourself.
Alright, I'll be down in a minute.
What do you want?
Calm down.
What are you doing here?
Angela, relax. She's in her room.
Oh God.
She's in her room.
Please. The last time this happened, the last time we were together, because she can't see us together, okay? I was really humiliated and I cannot stand to be humiliated again.
Angela, nobody is humiliating you as long as I am here.
What do you want? What do you want?
Pick my calls. Please. I'm going crazy. Pick my calls. I'm coming.
Please go. Go.
Pick my calls. Pick my calls. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Angela. Are you alone? I hope, your phone calls, it's not disturbing anybody and nobody can overhear your conversation.
No, it doesn't. I'm all alone in the room, sir.
Good. Please listen to me carefully, Angela, because what I'm about to say is very, very important, okay?
Okay, sir.
I said this to you once before and you didn't say anything. You didn't respond, and so I'm going to say it again. Angela, I am in love with you.
Sir?
This is no joke, Angela, please.
But sir, it's not possible. I mean, it's complicated.
How is it not possible? And what is complicated about this?
Sir, I'm just a mere maid.
Angela, the Olufemis do not have your destiny in their hands, okay? Your destiny is in your own hands. Do you understand?
Sir, I'm just an ordinary housemaid.
Angela, I don't care what your job is. Don't you understand? It is not important to me. I don't care what your job is. What I care about is your personality, and that is what I fell in love with, your persona.
Sir, I did not bargain for this, and I cannot even withstand the consequences that will follow.
Angela, surely when it comes to your life and your future, surely you can make decisions independent of your employers. Come on.
Please, sir, can you just give me some time to think about it?
You know what, while you think about it, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to resign from your job with the Olufemis and maybe talk to your uncle about all of this and see what advice he has to give you.
How about your parents?
Don't worry about my parents, love. I will deal with them.
Okay, sir.
And by the way, my name is not Sir, my name is Smith.
Sorry. Okay, Smith.
Smith. Good night, Angela. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Good night.
Mom, Dad, as I've been saying for the past 2 days, I don't think that Kiki is the right woman for me to marry.
But son, you were the one that said she has all the qualities you want in a woman, that you can't wait to make her your wife. Now you're making it seem as if we're the ones that made the wrong choice for you.
Mom, see, I was just caught up by the whole, I don't know, love at first sight thing. Besides, I figured that if it's you and Dad that picked her, then she must be perfect. But over time, I've come to understand that I don't think you and Dad know her very well. IJ here knows exactly what I'm talking about.
IJ, what is he talking about?
Mom, listen. Okay. You know her parents. Both of you know her parents very well. And that's good. And they're good people. But I don't think that, your knowledge of her parents is a very good yardstick to measure her with. I mean, come on, Mom. Good parents have bad kids. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, I'll reserve my comment until your father has spoken.
My son.
Sir?
You have spoken well. I can't force you to marry a woman that is not to your satisfaction. I'm only here to guide you. But at the end of the day, it is your decision to make.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you very much. So much has happened, or that Kiki is about, that you people don't even know. Yeah.
Tell us now. Make us understand.
Okay, for starters, she's extravagant to the point of being wasteful. She has a very hot temper. She loses her cool very, very easily. She doesn't like to apologize to anybody at all, even especially when she's in the wrong. Like, she's clearly in the wrong. She will refuse to apologize. Absolutely. She uses the most foul language that I've ever heard. I mean, IJ here is a living witness to one of those, episodes. She's egotistical, she's proud, she doesn't know how to do any domestic chores. She keeps saying that it's not for a woman of quality like her, it's for a paid maid. Look, Mom, truth is, I'm just concerned that if we get married, she's going to be very, very disrespectful. I mean, she literally almost slapped IJ here the other day because IJ made a mistake of spilling wine on her dress.
Eh?
Yes.
Wait. Eh?
Mom, Dad, everything Smith has said is the truth. I mean, I can't even stand such a person as a friend. Talk less as a sister-in-law.
Hey.
So tell me, of what good is a woman as a wife if she doesn't have the most basic characteristics of a good wife? I mean, where's she going to learn that? In her parents' house? In her matrimonial home?
Not in this house.
So, should I jump into a marriage that I'm going to be unhappy in for the rest of my life?
Wrong 441.
I think there's no need to overflog this issue. We have been on this matter for 3 days now, and I think we have done justice to it.
Thank you, Dad.
Hey, madu geji ego ya je lota mosu.
Mother, ego tankata gata.
Hey, friendship bakwako. They should keep it.
Hello, Uncle.
Yes, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you and how's Henry doing?
I'm fine, my daughter. Henry has gone back to school. I hope Mr. Olufemi and family are treating you well.
Yes, Uncle. They've been good to me.
Okay, I'm happy to hear that.
Uncle, I actually called to let you know that I'll be getting married.
Hey, wait. Is it again?
Yes, sir. He will soon come and visit you, sir.
My daughter, what you have said is a very good thing, but certain things are not supposed to be said on phone.
I know. I'll find time to come and see you. Uncle, my employers don't know about this yet, though. Please don't tell anyone till I come and see you.
Odema, my daughter.
Okay, sir. Take care of yourself.
I will, and you too.
Koji.
Angela, getting married. Lord, I bless you. Ha! Ikenna, my brother. I know your happiness will be doubled wherever you are. I'm happy for you.
Good night, ma. Sorry. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Yes, ma. Yes,
Are you sleeping already?
No, ma, I'm not. Do you want anything?
Yes. The smoothie I told you to make, did you make it?
Yes, ma. I already did. It's in your room. Just cold the way you like it.
So why are clothes littered all over your bed? Are you packing to somewhere?
No, ma. I did my laundry, so I'm trying to arrange them.
Okay. Sleep well then.
Good night, ma.
Son.
Sir?
Concerning our discussion on your decision to marry Kiki, I need you to know that there is no father that will sit down and watch the son make a costly mistake, especially as it relates to marriage. We barely knew Kiki, but we knew the father and the mother very well, which was why we decided that you should take their daughter as your wife. But if what you and your sister is saying is true, then I think I'll support you.
Really? Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll support you. You know, being a bishop is not a guarantee that your children will be good people. Yes, we know the parents are good, but we don't know the children too well.
Well said, my darling.
Yeah.
I'm in support as well.
Thank you, Mom.
We have a wedding.
But what I don't understand is why Angela the housemaid?
Well, Dad, the simple answer to that question is Angela and I are much more compatible than Kiki and I. I find that she and I agree and see eye to eye on a lot of things and a lot of issues. Also, what's the point traveling all around the world to look for something that is staring at you right in the face, back at home?
But she's not educated. And her status as a house help is a minus.
Mom, please. Don't underestimate Angela. Don't ever do that. She's quite brilliant, to be honest. She is an undergraduate. So yeah, in a few years she'll be a degree holder, you know. Yes, and also, if you think about it, some of the greatest people in this world started from humble beginnings, so.
I think there's no need to further discuss this issue. You have won. So, when are we going to see the parents?
Well, I'll work on that, Dad, very soon, eh? So, have you spoken to your uncle about me?
Yes. He said I should come and see him. But he was really excited when I told him about it.
Okay. And when are you going to see him?
Well, firstly, I have to resign like he asked me to, and then I'll go home and discuss it with him.
Resign. And when do you do all of this?
My resignation letter is ready. I'll just give it to him tonight.
Wait, hold on. You wrote a letter?
Yes, are you surprised?
Angel, I'm not surprised. I'm just very proud that you thought to write.
Thank you.
love you very much.
Thank you. I have to leave now. My time is up here.
Okay. Well, I can't wait till you're finally free.
I can't wait to. I'll call you.
Angela, now you come back. Since that time, when you come out?
Ubong, how will they concern you where they go and when they come back?
As a CSO of this compound, it is my duty to know when you they come out and when you they come back, if including Oka and Madam.
Okay. Mr. CSO, now they come back.
Okay. Waiting you carry for back. You don't the two go market or your baby won't do party for this house.
I don't understand.
How you won't understand? Eh? You they go market every time. You they tell me say you don't understand. Eh? We get there for this compound where they chop food quick.
Ubong, which guy stupid talk with that one now? What's happen?
And yeah, baby, nothing. You know, say you na my party. I want make you tell me the truth. You get one baba where they go see after.
Now your papa they go see. Now your papa. Ubong, mind yourself in this house.
Wait. Check. You be like say beard, they come out, beard. Check.
Come for my side.
Beard. This guy and this girl come carry they hit me like this. Eh? See as I had gone strong like timber market people. Eh? And when you they carry the wash blade, the wash window. Me wey be CSO, my hands still soft. He pass your own. Look at what you just nah, this girl.
So, like I was saying, there are reasons for everything.
Oh Lord, we're about to have this lecture again.
Sir, Ma, I was wanting to have this.
What is this? What is in there? Can't you say it out?
Read it, sir.
Why don't you just say what's inside exactly?
You wrote this?
Yes, sir.
Angela,
Sir.
letter of resignation?
Yes, sir.
Come, what have we done to you?
Sir, nothing. Sir, before I came to work for you, I had plans on saving up. I'm going back to school. You're a good man, sir. You're kind and you've been so generous to me. I wish I could serve you more. But I need to leave. I need to further my education.
It's okay, it's all right.
I've saved enough for my school and I'm grateful to your family, sir.
I sent Anna to get back to school. What do you know about education?
Kiki, will you just stop mocking her?
I'm not mocking
Ah,
her.
shut up!
Whatever, I can't speak in my own house.
Baby Alawo. Angela, that's all right. You are a nice girl too.
Thank you, sir.
And I will not stop you from moving ahead with your education. But then, can't you stay with us a little more? When are you willing to go?
In a couple of days, sir.
Oh. Never mind. I will still support you. Whatever I can do to assist you, I will do.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Wherever you go, don't hesitate to get in touch if there is anything you want us to do.
Thank you very much, sir.
I don't get to come to me. You know the daughter of this house.
Get up.
Thank
It's
you.
okay, get up.
Thank you, sir.
So when do you really intend to leave us?
Ma, anytime this week, ma. I'm ready to go, ma.
Angela.
Ọ̀rọ̀ dì hùn. Ọ̀rọ̀ pèsè jẹ́. It's all right.
Thank you so much,
Yes.
sir. Sir,
Yeah, you can go.
thank you, sir.
Now, Kiki,
Yes, Daddy.
henceforth, you must be close to the kitchen.
Why? What's happening there?
Okay.
What did they do in the kitchen? Cooking and washing plates. And
Daddy, maybe you should put the application
You
outside.
will, definitely.
I'm not doing that.
You'll be close to the kitchen.
Like, talking about it now is going to give me a headache. I can't do all of that. Like,
You'll be close to the kitchen.
I'm about to be somebody's wife.
For once, you'll be close to the kitchen.
Are you serious? Angela! She's deaf.
Stop calling her. She's no longer your staff.
She still works here for now. Angela!
Okay.
Wow.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
When she told me about your intentions towards her, I thought it was a joke, not until now. I am happy.
We are very happy too.
Angela is like a daughter to me. I took her when my brother died, with Henry, her kid brother.
Yeah.
But due to circumstances and challenges, I could not afford her education. But I believe fate has its way.
Yes.
And has brought this young man to her.
Yes.
So my in-laws, you're welcome once again.
Thank you. Thank you. Your daughter, she's a very nice girl. For my son to have chosen her as his wife, I must say that she's very lucky.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Without wasting time, Angela!
Ijele. My son, I must say you go this market. You go this market, man.
Don't be surprised. Still the same woman.
Yes. Ihe a na-akpọ nke a na be anyị bụ ụdara nwe enwe.
Olu gbajie Smith.
Onye ga-agbaji ya.
Aka olu gbajie boy, someone say get Smith. Olu gbajie Smith.
Mana onye agbajiri onwe na amara ibe.
Biakene nwa, biakene nwa, biakene nwa. Never hurt me.
I wouldn't mind if I can get the hug too. Welcome, my daughter.
You're all welcome.
You go this market here.
We'll go for this.
No.
Okay. Obang.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
One okala that it say make I come give you this envelope. Thank you, sir.
Are you expecting anyone?
Not at all. What could this be?
What is it?
It's an invitation card.
What invitation?
Wedding invitation.
Whose wedding?
This is interesting. It is Smith's wedding invitation card.
Which Smith? Our own Smith?
Your son-in-law, or should I say former son-in-law?
To who?
He's getting married to Angela.
Which Angela? A former maid? Ha. How can Smith drop Kiki for Angela? Or is it that Angela has used magic potion on him? I mean, what?
Well, I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Look, listen. Smith has just behaved like a man. He's a gentleman. Yes, Angela was once a maid, but Smith has the money. So, and he has enough to make her elegant and gorgeous to his own tastes. That is the person he sees as a wife.
No. Are you insinuating that Kiki is not a wife?
Is it me? It's Smith now.
How can you give Angela pass mark instead of your own daughter?
Because my own daughter refused to heed to advice. Yes, and Smith eventually sees that Angela is more of a wife than Kiki.
Then Smith must be very stupid.
He is not stupid.
He's stupid.
I said the man is not stupid. Smith is a responsible gentleman. He was ready to marry Kiki. We saw it in him.
Then what happened?
Look, listen. Smith and the father called me of their intention to discontinue with the marriage with Kiki.
And you didn't tell us?
Why will I tell you? Because you will never believe me. So I was waiting. I have to wait. I have to wait. They told me everything your daughter portrayed during that very short time of courtship. Even all those things we advise her against elaborate wedding. Did she heed to them? And her insulting and egoistic attitudes were not hidden. Did you know what she did to Smith's sister and Angela? Look, my dear, get in touch with Mrs. Nwachukwu and Smith. They will tell you more. So you can clearly see that Kiki is the architect of her own tragedy.
My daughter has no tragedy. There are so many men out there.
Yes, I know. There are several men outside, millions. But I tell you, good men are difficult and very scarce. I pray she gets a man like Smith who will be sincere in such a relationship.
This is a disgrace. For Smith to drop Kiki for a mermaid. Is it that he's trying to mock us or he wants to mock Kiki in particular? I don't understand.
What's going on? Who's dropping who?
Smith is getting married to Angela, our former maid.
Daddy, stop playing. That's a very heavy joke. How can you? What? Daddy, why was Smith?
Yes, my dear, it's true.
What are you? Oh God. Wait, I can't even feel myself.
Hey!
Kiki!
Please tell me that was a dream. Please tell me I just woke up from a bad dream.
You are not dreaming, my dear. This is what you wanted.
No.
What is no? We spoke to you on how best to behave with Smith. I personally called you as a daughter. I told you how best to respect him, to be hospitable and receptive to everyone. But all this fell on your deaf ears.
Daddy, this marriage cannot hold. I would not allow it. It's not possible. Why the hell would Smith dump me for a slave? She's a mere help. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. What the hell does she even know about marriage and love? I don't know a lot about it too, but I've read on it and she can't even read. Why the hell would he leave me for her like that? That look, Smith is the one for me. He's the one I love. I've not even been myself since I haven't spoken to him. You have to do something about this. Please, Daddy, do something about this for me, please.
My dear daughter, there is absolutely nothing I can do. Smith has enough reason for letting you go. I mean, your egoistic attitude, disrespect, ignorance of basic domestic works, manner of speech, and so many that I cannot even talk about. Huh?
Daddy, please, I'm sorry. Look, just help me beg him. I'll change. I'll wash, I'll clean. I
promise I'll become a humble person. He can have any wedding. He can have any wedding he wants. Please, just beg him for me to give me one more chance. Just one more chance, please.
It's okay.
There is nothing one can do to overturn this. As far as I'm concerned, I believe Smith has done everything possible, except the church wedding. You know.
Okay.
We cannot overturn anything. My prayer is that you overcome this and get yourself better prepared for your future.
It's okay.
Beauty may make a woman, but does not make a wife.
My daughter, you don't have to cry your eyes out for just one man. Huh? Besides, Smith never loved you. If Smith loved you, he won't dump you for just a mermaid. Besides, there are so many men out there.
Mommy, I don't want other men out there. I want Smith. Smith is the one I want.
I understand.
Don't understand.
I understand.
No, you don't.
It's okay. You've cried enough for just one man.
Mommy, I will cry my eyes out if I have to. If it's going to bring him back, I'll do that.
But he has moved on with Angela, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Mommy, please, I want to be alone.
But
Mommy, please just go.
Okay.
Why didn't he just tell me? He could have just told me if I had a bad character. Like, it's not like I have a bad character anyways. I think I'm perfect. He probably just didn't see the good in me, but then why would he leave me for a maid? What have I done to myself? Oh God.
Are you still here? When I am dressed?
Dressed to where?
To Angela's wedding, of course.
I should attend the wedding of the people that kept my daughter in that state.
What are you saying? Have you forgotten that the Nwachukwus are family friends? I won't, because of what is happening, refuse to attend my friend's son's wedding.
Do you know that Kiki has not eaten in the past 2 days? And you want me to attend that wedding?
Kill a little bit.
I'm not going.
Get her something.
I am not going.
My friend, go in there and change.
I am not going. Go alone.
You don't want to come with me?
I don't want to go. Go alone.
It's for Mr. and Mrs. Olufemi.
Go alone. I won't go.
Your action won't stop me from going on.
Eat everything. Eat.
Never mind, I will bring your gift.
Take everything.
Now, well, this wedding thing is still they worry madam well. Eh? See how she don't go and lean finish. See her head. See her face. Eh? Oh no, what if I go talk to madam now? Whether she go contact me for this job? Now baby say job no con day. Eh? Now this thing they worry me. I go talk to them after all. Man die, man rotten. Madam, you still dey cry? Eh? Like say you know say you still dey cry. I no for collect that paper. Come dey give una. Now that paper don't come dey make you dey cry. Eh? Like say you for cause wahala, but in the young men give our paper only. I know your orgasm you no try. You no try, but this is not the end of the war now. You're not going to cry like this.
What is that supposed to mean?
Madam, waiting at the try talk, they say you're not going to sit down like this, they cry. You're supposed to come outside small, make fresh air touch you. You see this house as a big soul, eh? At times you go there like say this house won't collapse. This house as a big soul like this, sometimes me self will be the GSO. If I there for that place, my eye go to do me tata yo-yo. Now so I go come work, I go more outside. I go to see other small houses. Before I go come back, my head don't clear. I will come relax. Madam, you see this life? When there is life, there is hope. God will give you one better, Baba. If you don't give you myself, I will marry you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You think that's going to work?
Oh, yes.
Okay.